So like this, I'm going to leave it to cool down before I will take it. You see as it come out. Hello viewers, thank you for joining us. So I'm going to show you the benefit of this neem leaf. So this is neem leaf, okay? So you can use it for your hair. You have to blend it and rub it on your real hair like this. And I want to show you how I use it for tea. I want to make tea and for my face mask, okay? So let's wash it. This is my water here. It's very good for malaria. It's good. If you want to lose weight too, you can use it. It's dirty. It's clean now. So I've already put drinking water inside this kettle. This is drinking water. So now I want to cover it. Hey, Evelyn, oh. One more. So we are going to allow the tea to boil very well. Thank you so much for watching. So you can use the neem leaf to rub your face, your skin. It's very good for, especially if you have like pimples, so you can use it. So Evelyn, so I want to show you. Evelyn, wait to go on there. So I want to blend it with small water. So as it is like this, so you can even use this to wash mouth. If you want to, especially for people who have some mouth odor, so you can be using this to wash mouth every day. It will stop. So this one, I will use it for my face, especially if you have pimples, you want to clean your face, your body, and if you want your hair to grow, you have to blend it smooth and rub it on your hair. It will make your hair to black and grow well. So I will leave it like this, so like 1 hour or 2 hours, depending how you get time to leave it on your face. So thank you so much for watching. Evelyn. So viewers, our neem tea is ready. Don't go yarrow tea. So like this, I'm going to leave it to cool down before I will take it. You see as it come out. Thank you so much for watching. So viewers, this is our neem tea. So don't go yarrow tea. It's very good. So it has cooled down. I want to take it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are pregnant, don't take it, okay? So this is for malaria, diarrhea, or you have your blood is low, okay, or is too much, so you can take it. It's very good. It will balance your system. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.